Today we're going to be pouring custom Christmas ornaments using silicone molds by Redesign with Prima and amazing casting resin from Alumilite. I started by mixing equal parts A and B of my resin mixture and then pouring them into my silicone mold. You can embed a piece of twine or string as a hanging tool into your resin mixture. Once my resin had fully cured in about 10 minutes, I sprayed my ornaments using a metallic spray paint. Any brand will do. Once my spray paint had dried, I brushed on a coat of the new gemstone mousse from Dixie Belle Paint. This color is called Garnet. While the mousse is still wet, I used a rag and wiped away the excess from the top. This exposes the metallic spray paint from underneath. The contrast of the metallic mousse and the spray paint underneath gives me a two-tone finish and really brings out the details in my mold. Once my mousse was dry, I used a clear acrylic sealant and just sealed the finish on my ornaments. This is a fun and easy way to make custom Christmas ornaments. This is a great activity to do at home with kids. I think these would be perfect as custom gift wrapping tags. They would be great on dollar store napkin rings. They would also be great gifts for friends and family. For more Brush by Brandy, check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube.